T levels is the first step in understanding if you have ET. Your testosterone level impacts your energy, libido, sleep, weight, hair loss, mood, and even ED. Maintaining an appropriate T level can
slow down.
whole life.
Stupid
Most men
Tesla.
changes in their hormone levels in their 30s. Experience and results matter. So what are you waiting for? Get your T levels checked today by local, experienced, and trusted men's health experts. They've helped thousands of men since 2011. They're so confident they can help you, they even guarantee it. Call Revive today and schedule your free testosterone test, free exam, and free consultation. Call Revive Men's Health at 916-277-8599. That's 916-277-8599. Or visit ReviveMen'sHealth.com. Do you have credit card debt? The stress from excessive credit card debt can ruin your life. Collection calls, sleepless nights. You're feeling the financial impact with unprecedented economic challenges. JetBlue is here for you. JetBlue uses secret programs that most credit card companies won't tell you about. JetBlue's guarantee, you pay nothing unless your debt is reduced or completely resolved. There's no risk. The more you owe, the more JetBlue can save you. See how easy it is to get started with free information. Let JetBlue show you how. Call now. 800-375-1158. That's 800-375. Call for your free debt resolution information now. 800-375-1158. 800-375-1158.
KFBK Sacramento. KFL advisory.
Access to medication abortions nationwide, even in states where abortion is legal. A new office devoted to where we all live as quickly winds down. For a nation and really for the world. I wish I could say that everyone thought that way.
The executive order creates a new Office of Environmental Justice. The president said this issue is a priority for his administration.
Including the right to breathe clean air, to drink clean water, and be treated with dignity. So all of you, we're making progress, but there's much more to do to finish the job.
Karen Travers, ABC News, the White House.
Scrapping COVID funding, student loan forgiveness, and green tax credits are among the proposed Republican spending cuts. But House Speaker Kevin McCarthy announced that some Republicans want to tie raising the debt ceiling. The White House continues saying the debt ceiling is not negotiable and was raised without any crisis when there was a Republican president. For the newly announced 72-hour tentative ceasefire for both sides of Sudan, mass evacuation of Americans is so far not in the cards. The White House Press Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre, but
The U.S. is deploying additional capabilities to the region for contingency purposes related to securing and potentially facilitating departure of U.S. Embassy personnel from Sudan in circumstances requiring.
The NFL suspends 5 players for violating NFL rules banning gambling on NFL games. ESPN insider Dan Graziano.
What they found with regard to Jameson Williams and Stanley Berryhill was that they did not bet on NFL games, but that they did bet on other games while they were at the Lions team facility.
Capital City, KFBK News Radio. At 3:02, I'm John Bernanke with your top local stories on KFBK News Radio. California Republicans are sounding off on an income-based utility program proposed by the state's major utility companies. State Senator Brian Dahle believes electricity bills should be based on how much energy is used.
Basically what this is it's a flat rate charge based on the income. If you make more money, you pay more. If you make less money, you pay less.
Pacific Gas and Electric, Southern California Edison, and San Diego Gas and Electric say the goal is to lower power bills and increase transparency. If the California Public Utilities Commission adopts the new rate structure, customers would see 2 main charges on their bills. The new fixed rate based on household income and a power use rate. The utilities estimate rates will drop by 30 to 45%. And for the first time in years, California will be able to provide 100% of the water requested by cities and farms. That's thanks to the wet winter that filled reservoirs and led to a record brake lights, and that starts at Watt Avenue, goes all the way to about Stockton Boulevard. If you're eastbound, it's going to be heavy in the construction area there, so you get to Stockton as well. Eastbound and westbound Cap City also really slow approaching the river from either direction. And providing scalable HR services, access to better benefits, payroll, HR technology over 35 years. Insperity's mission is to help businesses succeed so communities prosper. Insperity, HR that makes a difference. Visit Insperity.com. Traffic on the 10s every 10 minutes, mornings and afternoons. 8 ahead, KFBK News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM.
One of the warmest weather days so far this year today was sunshine, highs 82 to 86. Clear to partly cloudy overnight, 55 to 59. And then the other warmest day so far tomorrow with a partly sunny sky, 83 to 87. I'm AccuWeather's meteorologist Jeff Nordine on KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio. Sunny and 79 degrees now. John Bernizzi, KFBK News Radio.
Next update in less than 30 minutes. Breaking news the second it happens on KFBK News Radio. Sacramento's news, traffic, and weather station. Good afternoon and welcome aboard. Happy Friday to you. John McGinnis with you, KFBK News Radio, live everywhere on the iHeartRadio app and your smart speaker. Hope you're having a great day. Looking forward to nice. It's going to be a beautiful weekend. Hope you have outdoor plans. Hope I can get outdoors for a bit. Lots of things to try to squeeze into a program today yet again, and I left something up yesterday. I promised to get to it and spend some time on it. I don't know if it's worthy of a lot of dialogue, but it's important, I think, for people to understand. And if you've not had the experience of dealing with the California legislature and some of the committees, the subcommittees that are the portal to the full floor where decisions are ultimately made by the legislative chambers, members thereof, I should say, then you know what, you're probably going to have a better, richer life. But if you don't know what that system is all about, quite frankly, you're living in the dark to a great extent. And I've had occasion over the years on numerous occasions to see the roadblock, the barrier, the impediment that the public safety committees in the Senate and the Assembly are. It's just so ironic, it's so shameful and disgraceful that people are appointed to these committees by their leadership they do not represent the mainstream in California. Even they don't represent, I don't believe, the mainstream even within the California legislature. It's where good bills absolutely go to die, and it's where things that make zero sense slide right through. And so there have been a number of good bills introduced of late on the fentanyl crisis to try to deal with that, because this is so much a nonpartisan issue. It is so real. It is so incredibly detrimental to the lives of innocent people in this state and in the nation, for that matter. But the raw numbers are extraordinarily powerful, and I know that even some who don't get behind the idea of supporting legislation to try to chip away at this have the attitude, well, if somebody's going to be a druggie, they're going to take chances. That's nothing new. But this is new, because you have cases in which particularly younger people are taking what they believe to be various kinds of drugs that have a legitimate benefit, albeit require a prescription, and that prescription having been filled by a legitimate licensed pharmacist who understands what they're doing, and these are not that. So there is some undeniable element of violation of law when people get what they believe to be an Adderall handed to them.